Here at the Genesis Cooperative in my unit, and I'm here with Jeree Sonny Miller and the president of Genesis Cooperative, Tahuti Sema Dishman. And so we're about to open my first tower garden. So get it open, and Jeree, as you open it, tell us why this is important and why we need to be visionaries and understand that this is part of our community access to sustainability.
Would it be okay to take control of your food supply?
Would it be okay?
Yes, it would be. Sustainably, year-round. All right.
So what we got there?
We've got.
It's the base.
This is the first tier. This is the top that goes on the reservoir. So I'm opening it up, and believe it or not, everything that you need to grow is in this box. So if you're growing outside,
Let me see this box.
everything, all you need is water and electricity. There's seeds, there's the pump, there's everything, there's food, everything that you can check, everything that you need, just pull it out. And it goes together like Legos. Talk about keeping it simple. Simple. Gardening made easy. That is for the pH.
pH.
Just like in the soil, you check the pH.
Or in the pool.
Exactly. There you go. And equipped with, just it fits in there like Lego. Imagine you're a child snapping together Legos. It'll tighten up. It'll screw it like that.
Okay, well, we're gonna say this is part one.
That's part one. Here we go. I mean, this
This is the out of the box part.
This is the out of the box part. How we grow.
And just a sample of this is these are the pots
For plants, huh?
that I call net pots. Growing medium. Put the seeds in there. It's wet. Turn it on. The shower system hitting the back of the plant.
Okay.
Actually, where the roots are.
Exactly, that's where the roots are.
So what you think about this, Mr. Dish?
I love it. I love it. This is like an updated version of what we used to call the Vegetron.
Oh, really?
Right. Which was a system which is hydroponic,
Okay.
like this, except for it was in an A-frame system. And a large 50-gallon or either 25-gallon, depending on which system you had,
Okay.
water reservoir that's set in front of the A-frame.
Okay.
And it was submergible, and it just simply
We can provide ourselves with nutritious food, and I think that
All year
lady
long.
said $10 to $20 a week, and you can have plenty of vegetables.
What I'm showing is Diane is
these go on the side?
this goes on top. This is for
Really?
microgreens.
That's my microgreens, like
So they would go
arugula,
on
one of my favorites.
Pull that out. I'll pull that
Hello,
out.
Oh, this is-
microgreen.
Yeah, because there'll be an extension that would go on there.
Oh.
Yeah, so she can grow the microgreens up here. And with this one, let me see. Snap it on there. And it's just for visual right now. Show you that. It's another level. So that's 24. Okay. And with this direct seed, this is designed where the growing medium, you don't need a pot. It just goes directly in there. Just like that.
Need pots.
Because it's rectangle, so it just fits right in.
Okay.
Exactly. And so it would just,
So this is a heck of a conversation piece for your living room.
most good, definitely is a heck of a conversation piece. What are you doing?
about this
Like with most gardens, the bounty. Most people, there's bounty. There's a